Hello. I was just about to make dinner. Some spaghetti, I think. I have a question. If you're making spaghetti but not using spaghetti and using another pasta, is it still spaghetti? I don't know. I was just wondering. Okay, let's get started. I have my pan ready. Here I have a pound of 80/20 ground chuck, and I have some Italian sausage. I'm just using like a half one. Oh, we're gonna get it into the pan. We're gonna let the pan heat up a little first. Yeah, pan's pretty hot. Calm that down right quick. Gonna add in the Italian sausage. Just tear it up a little bit with my hands. The Italian sausage really gives your hamburger or your ground meat a lot of flavor, because it has a lot of different seasonings in it already. We're just going to get this cooked up. So I have a little bit of onion and a little bit of fresh garlic that I chopped up. It's only one bud. Just going to add some more flavors. You know, there are 99 ways to cook spaghetti, and this is only one of them. I almost never cook it the same way twice. I always add something or take away something, or, you know, it's creating different ways. Something different for your taste buds as much as possible. Okay, we got that going. And I have some chopped tomatoes. I'm going to pour some of this juice off. And I have my scissors, and I just like to cut it up a little bit. You can see me. Or you can take your hands and just squeeze them. That's a lot faster. Just didn't want to stick my hands in there. Today, just make it a little fine. A little finer, shall I say. We're going in here. I'm not going to even need all of this meat sauce, so I'm just going to use some and put the rest in the freezer bag and put it up for the next time I make spaghetti or lasagna or whatever. It'll already be ready, already be prepared. Take it out and throw it in the pan. Okay. Smells good in here. Okay, and I have some marinara. I just grab any kind, any brand. Add some of that in. Let me get you a little bit closer. I have some tomato puree. Just put a little bit of that in there. About that a little bit. I have some tomato paste. Putting the top back on. And I have some chili sauce. Great flavor. Please believe me. I like to put this in my meatloaf too. Ketchup, just a little squirt. Let's see what else we need. Let's see. Gonna add some more marinara. If you like your sauce really red, this is red, but you can get redder. Just add more tomato paste. That's what really gives it that red color. Okay. I'm gonna add some pepper. Always get pepper in my salt, some salt. And guess what else? A little bit of sugar. That's just to break up that tomato. Acidity. We have a couple more ingredients to add in. That's good, like right there. But I want to add just a pinch of, what's the problem? Italian seasoning. Just a little pinch, because you know this is another strong flavor. Turn it down a little. Just want to give it that hint. Italian seasoning. You already have the Italian sausage. That's almost perfect, except for I have some red wine. And when you have red wine and you're drinking it and it goes flat and you toss it out, don't do that. Just save it for your sauces. This right here is going to give it the taste where people are going to be trying to figure out, what is that I'm tasting? Well, if you don't tell, they'll never know. Just a little bit at a time. If any more at all. You'll have to do that to your taste. But it gives it that distinctive flavor. so good. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Do I need some more? Mmm. I think I'm just enjoying tasting it. But I'm going to add just a little bit more. That's it. It tastes perfect. Oh, shoot. So, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cover it up. Gonna let it simmer. Wrong top. I had to borrow one from another. Gonna let this simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes. Down low. See how it's bubbling high? You want to bring it down because you want it to simmer, just to incorporate these flavors together. You want them to marry and become one fantastic flavor. Got me dancing up in here. All right. About 20 to 30 minutes. I'll let this just do its thing. You might want to go in every now and again and give it a little stir. Move it around a little bit. Okay, our water is boiling. And like I think I've said several times before, always add your salt after your water starts to boil. That way the flavor won't boil away. And this is the pasta that I'm using. And it's called Fusilli Curti Bucati. Bucati. Fusilli. I hope I pronounced that correctly. And so, I need that to boil a little faster. I don't want to cook too many. Let's see. A little bit more. We're going to cook these for about 10 minutes. Okay, our pasta is ready. And I have taken out some of the sauce. If I need more in, I'll add more in. Take some of this pasta out. These are some pretty pastas. I'll let you see. See it? They're so pretty. When food looks good, it seems to taste better. Sure does. Turn this off. Yum. I'm gonna add some dried chives in. more than that. I'm using it for flavor and color. There we go. That's more like it. I'm patting it down because I'm going to add some cheese. And I'm just using some mild cheddar. Some more chives on top. I'm going to cover this for a couple minutes and let that cheese melt. Just want you to see the pasta. I've been eating on some that are left in the pot. How they are little spirals, see? So the sauce can get all in between. Those are good just all by themselves. And that's, let me show you what that looks like. Gonna add a little bit, some to this bowl. Stretchy cheese, look at that. Clean that up a little bit. There you have it. I have some garlic. Some garlic bread. Gonna taste just a little bit. That's so good. Well, thanks for hanging out with me. And remember to pray. Then pray some more. Pray for her, pray for him, pray for you, pray for them. Pray for us. Don't stop praying. Pray. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe and tap that bell if you haven't. And if you have, thank you. Share with friends and family. And comment. I would love to hear from you. And until next time, eat well, be well, stay safe and healthy. And stay blessed. Okay. I'm going to sit down and have my dinner. And you enjoy the rest of your day. Later. I love you. I really do.